My name is Ray for Rainbow. Today I want to show you what is the process to install the Seakeeper Ride and that 43 Intrepid. The first thing you have to do in every single installation is measure the angle for the bolt. That one is giving the idea how many separator you have to put in the blade for keeping the Seakeeper flat to the bottom to the bolt. Remember, every single bolt is different, and you need to make sure in every side that you want to install the blade, you measure every bolt they have a different angle. You have to do it anytime that you do the installation. Now that I know how many separator he needed, I know they needed 2 5 degrees and 2 4 degrees. You can see he show you right there how many degrees they have at every single chin. This is the chin they use it for my installation. Installed the weight packer and it's still too high. What I do, I remove one space. Basically, I have a 2 5 and one number 4. What I do is I change one number 5 for number 4. I reduce 1 degrees, and now I install another 3 degrees. And that way I added 2 more degrees for try to find the high level in my weight packer. Like I said in the preview this video, this is the weight packet for put it together, and the other two I put a different separator, and then you put a number 5, number 4, and 2 number 3. Basically, this is the number 5. You need a 1 number 5. You need another one number 4, and you need a 2 number 3. And the way this goes, you put it right there in the package. And this separator, he give it the angle for the blade, he match it with the bottom to the bolt. Well, the seal plate and the transom plate and the wedges is ready installed and the plate to be and put a tape. The process now is I have to remove, grind it around when the epoxy is big glue, put it all together back and put it the actuator and everything's be done. Ready for grinder and install. Everything's ready grinded and make the hole for the cable. Now it's ready for putting the epoxy and install the Seakeeper.